If you're an entrepreneur or business owner and you're thinking about investing in a new app, a custom software solution, or starting a tech company, I need to share something with you right now that could save you a small fortune and a ton of frustration. It's the single biggest reason why smart-driven people get stuck with expensive, failed pieces of software. The problem? We lack the right mental models for technology projects. We try to fit software into a box based on industries we do understand, and it sets us up for failure before we even write a single line of code. When you think about a big, expensive project, what comes to mind? Probably construction. In construction of, let's say, a skyscraper or even a house, you think, oh, we're gonna build a blueprint, and we're gonna draw out the blueprint, and then we're gonna follow the blueprint, and the finished product is gonna look something like the first drawing that we made. In construction and manufacturing, that model works pretty well. But when you apply this rigid, blueprint-style thinking to software, you fall right into an expensive trap. Why? Because with software, you are not building a static object. You're creating a living, evolving solution to a complex set of problems. You are going to be wrong about your initial assumptions, and that's okay. But the house blueprint model, it punishes us for being wrong. It locks you into a failure path that is costly to change. Let me give you the mental model that's helped me in launching those 13 companies and survive over 100 software teams. You go find out that your customers have a pain of trying to get from point A to point B. If you went straight to building a car, you might spend years and millions, and it might not even be something that people want. Think about a skateboard. It's bare bones, it's clunky, but it does move customer from point A to point B a little bit faster than they can walk. You get immediate feedback about your not so great solution to their problem. And based on what you learn from the skateboard, maybe they want to stand up and go a little bit faster. Version 2, maybe you add a rod and some handles and you've got yourself a scooter. Version 3, maybe that's a bicycle or something with 3 wheels. You're adding gears, you're adding stability, you're adding speed. And then, and only then, based on customer feedback, you might get to something with 4 wheels and a roof, a car. The final successful product is not going to look anything like that early bad first draft of the idea. That to me is the closest thing to a good metaphor for software that I've come across in 25 years. If you are thinking about investing in tech, stop demanding the blueprint for the final perfect car. Stop putting out these RFPs that gives the whole solution as if you actually know what it is at this point. You don't. Start by asking, what is the simplest, most fundamental skateboard I can build to solve my customer's core problem? That mind shift will save you pain, time, and money, and will put you on the path to launching something that's truly successful and profitable. If this resonated with you, hit subscribe or leave me a comment, and I'll also answer any questions you leave.